One knee at a time. There you go. Stand up. Stand your leg up. You can do it. One leg at a time. Good boy. Yeah, you going up the stairs. Put your knee up there. Are you going to go get Trooper? Are you going to go get the kitty cat? Oh, kitty cat ran away. Kitty cat ran away. Keep going. Keep going, Anthony. Go up the stairs. Go up the stairs. Oh, you're almost there. Stand up. There you go. Yo, you're going to go get the toy. Yay.
Good job, Anthony.
Up the stairs. Now, how are you going to get back down is the question. Oh, he's going to go after the kitty scratcher. So now Trooper, Princess, and Anthony fight over the scratcher.
Can you clap, Anthony? Can Anthony clap?
Clap for yourself.
Clap, yay!
Clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands together.
He's coming to the camera.
You see the camera? How are you going to get there? Oh.
Is he going down?